up, YouTube? It's a little night vision, night view. I know for a fact right now, just because the license plate bracket is so low compared to where my bumper is, that you will get a glare from the headlights, man, because it sits so low. But besides that, everything else is A1. Like I said, it's the rear view. See how clean that is. And right now, probably on camera, look blurry, but it's not that blurry. See, right now that car looking at me. I might need to be cleaning it, I might not. I don't remember if I cleaned it when I got done. Swipe to the front view. Oh, that's the front view. Super clear. As you can see, it's very, very clear, man. Very recommended. Like I said, this is the G900 Pro. And yes, if you might asking, I do got the G900 regular one, and you can't use the rear camera on the Pro and the 900. So basically, you have to use the same camera that'll come with it. But you can use the same wire. But it's super clear. Let me see if I can get up close to this truck. Also, remember guys, this is a wide angle lens, so you're gonna see more of the road, more left and more right. Gonna swipe back. That's split screen. Now you see, it's not as blurry no more. So I believe it gotta be the light position, man, because it's so low. I'm gonna try to clean it off and I'm gonna see how that works. Alright, I'm gonna clean the lenses off. See how that works. Look a lot better. See this car coming. See this car still give me a glare. Swipe this back. Yeah, it still give me a glare. But it's not a bad glare, but yeah, I think it's just because the bracket is so low, the license plate bracket is so low. Or I ain't gonna say low, but just low on the car, on the bumper. That's how it looks though. So if you got like an SUV or something that sit a little bit higher, you shouldn't probably get that much of a glare though. But besides that, man, it's really worked pretty good, man. It's pretty clear, like I said. Just that when the headlights get closer, it just get more blurry. But it's tolerable. It's not blurry like can't really see a picture though. But I can deal with it. Like I said, it's the front view again. Look good, man. So I'm going to cut this up, man. Young Rich 419. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.
Oh, good.